Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Video Bandhu, and so today we are going to make Dudhi Chana no Shak. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I have taken one medium sized Dudhi, and here are some chopped tomatoes, and I have soaked this chana dal in night for around 8 hours. So after this you can see how our chana dal is looking here. Make sure you're cleaning first chana dal before soaking it, and then you are adding water and covering it with a lid so that it gets nicely soaked in this water. And now I have taken a cooker here, and I'll be adding oil in it. So basically this Dudhi Chana Shak is common in Gujarati food. They do make, like, you can make a lot of, there are very different ways, many different ways to make this Dudhi Shak, but we are going to make the one with chana. So here I'm going to add this cumin or jeera, and make sure it is nicely crackling up. Yes. So yeah, make sure you're taking a medium or a small dudhi, because the taste of younger dudhi is really yummy and nice. And after that I'll be adding hing or asafoetida to it, to the oil, and make sure it is combining nicely, and it is heated nicely. Yes. And yes, so basically I was talking about that you can add in this recipe garlic paste also. It's completely optional, or you can avoid also. So after some time I'll be adding these chopped tomatoes. I've taken around 1.5 tomato here for this much dudhi, and as you can see, so make sure you are cooking these tomatoes nicely first, and after that I'll be adding turmeric powder, and I'll also be adding this red chili powder. If at all you think that turmeric powder is less, you can add as per the quantity and portion in which you are going to make. After that we are going to add this dhania and jeera powder. Generally dhania and jeera powder is like twice of chili powder. Now this is garam masala. So yes, I guess now it is ready, and now I'll be adding salt to it, and we'll be mixing all these things nicely, and we'll be we need to cook it for some more time. By the time you get this texture, so that everything is roasted nicely in oil. And at this stage we'll be adding this chana along with the water it has. And see, after that I have made these cubes of this dudhi by peeling the skin of dudhi. So yes, so yeah, as I was talking about, make sure you're taking a quite young dudhi, so that the seeds inside this dudhi are quite smaller ones, unlike the one we get in the big size dudhi. So make sure whenever you're going to buy dudhi, take the smallest or the smaller one, the one which is in medium size, not too small and too big. After that we'll be adding water to it and mixing all these things nicely. Oh yeah. So as I said, you can add, if you like garlic, you can add garlic paste to it before adding turmeric powder. It's completely optional. I haven't added in this recipe because I generally don't like garlic in this, but you can obviously add. After that we'll be closing the lid of this cooker, and we'll be doing pressure cooking this for until 2 whistles. So after 2 whistles, as you can see, it looks really nice, and I think dudhi is nicely cooked. And after this we need to add jaggery to it. So here is some jaggery. Yes. And you can add, obviously, if you prefer sweet, little bit of sweet, not that much. And I'll also be adding these lemon juice after adding jaggery. Yes, at this stage we are supposed to add lemon juice for that khatas thing or tangy thing. So yeah, now also we are supposed to mix all these things nicely. If you feel that the gravy is a bit more, make sure you are evaporating the extra or excess water from it. And I think here our sabzi is completely ready. And now I'll be adding these freshly chopped coriander. And yeah, I think our sabzi is completely ready. So our Dudhi Chana Shak is completely ready, and it's really easy to make. You can see, yeah, it looks really nice. You can eat it with roti, you can eat it with rice also. So if you guys have liked this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Video Bandhu.